Unlocking the mystery, how to use a cleaning rod. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a practical and interesting topic, how to use a cleaning rod. This phrase might sound simple, but it's packed with useful information, especially for those of you interested in maintenance, cleanliness, or even music. Stay tuned as we break down what a cleaning rod is, its uses, and how to properly use it. We hope this video makes your learning journey both enjoyable and informative. Before we dive into how to use a cleaning rod, let's first understand what it is. A cleaning rod is a tool that is primarily used for cleaning the inside of narrow tubes or barrels. It's commonly used in several contexts, such as cleaning musical instruments like flutes or clarinets, firearms, and even laboratory equipment. The rod is usually made of metal, plastic, or wood, and is designed to fit snugly inside the tube, allowing for the removal of dirt, residue, or moisture. Using a cleaning rod is crucial for the maintenance and longevity of any equipment with narrow tubes. For musical instruments, it helps prevent damage and maintain sound quality. In firearms, it ensures safety and reliability. And in laboratories, it keeps equipment clean and functional. Regular use of a cleaning rod can save you from costly repairs and extend the life of your equipment. 1. Preparation. Gather your cleaning rod and a suitable cleaning cloth or brush. Ensure the cloth is clean and soft to avoid scratching the inside of the tube. 2. Attaching the cloth. Secure the cloth or brush to the end of the cleaning rod. If your rod has a screw or clip, make sure it's tightly fastened to prevent it from detaching inside the tube. 3. Inserting the rod. Gently insert the cleaning rod into the tube, starting from one end. Be careful not to force it, as this could cause damage. 4. Cleaning motion. Slowly push and pull the rod through the tube. Rotate the rod as you move it back and forth to ensure an even clean. Repeat this process several times until the cloth comes out clean. 5. Final steps. After cleaning, inspect the tube to ensure it's completely clean. If necessary, repeat the cleaning process. Once finished, carefully remove the cleaning cloth from the rod and store both items properly. We hope this video has shed light on how to use a cleaning rod effectively. Whether you're a musician, a gun enthusiast, or someone who works in a lab, knowing how to properly clean and maintain your equipment is essential. Remember, regular maintenance is key to longevity and performance. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful tips and lessons. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.